So today I'm replacing this nasty old exhaust fan in the bathroom, and the reason I'm replacing it is it's super loud. Didn't sound too bad there, but you can hear it throughout the whole house, and I'm replacing it with this new fan, which is very quiet, 0.7 sounds. But it is bigger, and so I'm gonna have to make the hole bigger. So that's gonna make it a little bit more difficult. Let's see how we get on. So I put up some plastic. I'm guessing it's gonna be dusty, so I thought I'd just protect everything. And yeah, gonna cut into some drywall now. Wish me luck. So I loosened one screw, which was at the end, and then pulled down on the left side. That came out, these lugs holding it in on the right. And you can see the electrical connections there on the left, and what looks like a 3-inch vent duct on the right there. Okay, just a little bit of pulling and twisting with some pliers on some of the metalwork at the side, starting to come away. Okay, I'm just using the pliers now to sort of peel open the old box. You see there's a screw hiding in there, so I might just cut around it, we'll see. But yeah, just a couple minutes of work here. Well, the new fan's bigger anyway, so I'm gonna have to make this hole larger, so I just cut away a few inches to get this screw out. Okay, the old fan is out. That was way harder than it could have been. I cut along here, got one screw out there, but there was another screw here, 2 actually. It's really difficult to get at. There's a piece of wood here on this side, and a piece of wood that runs along here, which is where the thing was screwed into. Anyway, it's out now. I wore glasses for this. But you can see how messy it was. So next time around, I would wear goggles. Yeah. Super annoying getting all that crap in your eyes. Glasses helped, but you know, still stuff got through. So that's the end of the old fan. R.I.P. See ya. So let's see what's up here. We're in a bathroom on the ground floor, by the way. That's our not PEX plumbing. It's PB, which is not great. Ductwork for the AC, polybutylene pipes, and this one is for that's the duct for this fan. We live in a house built in 1996 in Las Vegas. Actually 20 inches of space from the top of this to the bottom of the floor above, so tons of room. So while I'm making holes in the ceiling, I made one above the shower. Because it's kind of dingy over there, so I'm just going to hook that in with the new fan. The light control, that wire, I don't know, it's not nearby, so I'm just going to connect it to the fan. So I'm installing this Juno LED downlight. You know, it's designed for really small ceilings, which I don't have. I've got tons of room. But anyway, it's going to be really easy to fit. On the control box, there is a color temperature selector, which is really nice. Sometimes when you've got different lights, it's just tricky to balance them. I've run the cable, gonna hook up the light, pop that in, and get the fan in. Yeah. Okay, the new fan is in. Quite fiddly to get it in. It's also noisier, which is why I've put some tape here. This is where the blower meets the exhaust. So I noticed if I covered that up, it was quieter. So let me turn on the fan. It's pretty loud. I'm not thrilled. Light's good. Happy with that. Okay, fan is up. And I did tape up the bit where some air was sort of escaping next to the blower. So there's me. Yeah, this used to be a really dark little room. Let's turn on the lights. Completely transformed the room. It's really quite different. What do you think? Pretty cool, huh? So now that the cover's on, it's not quite as loud as I thought it was. I think the reason it's louder than it should be is that I had, this is an older house. We've used 3-inch duct, and all the modern fans use 4-inch duct. So if you connect any 4-inch duct fan to a 3-inch duct, then unfortunately it creates noise, and apart from replacing all your duct work, which isn't really practical, there's nothing you can do about it. So it's pretty good. It's a different type of noise. I think it doesn't vibrate as much. The old one vibrated, which sort of traveled through the house. But yeah, I'm quite pleased. It's quite a lot of work, quite fiddly. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this, well, I'd appreciate a like. And I post videos like this of DIY projects, home improvements, product reviews, and if that's your thing, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.